Carsten, great to have you here. You are an editor with FAZ, and you are one of probably of the most famous editors in Germany, covering the topic of Industry 4.0.
Thank you, Frank.
And we're going to be in a panel together, Reinventing Industries with Digital Business Models. What have you seen on how industry has changed in Germany over the last 7 years, since Industry 4.0 came out in 2011?
Well, lots of things are happening. People are establishing platforms for their data, and we have small platforms and bigger ones, and obviously not everything works right from the beginning, but I guess in its heart, German industry has gotten the message and is trying really hard to make this run when it comes to B2B business and data. Not a victory for US and China-based companies, and I really do hope they succeed.
So basically, German industry is waking up to the platform challenge. Let's explore that a bit. You know, where the way I see it, you know, it's not only about manufacturing products, engineering manufacturing products anymore. It's about that you have smart products which have a lot of software, sensors, intelligence in them. And you care about them while they're being operated, connected to a platform.
Right. You know, one really great example is Airbus, which is a truly European company, right? And their latest plane, the R350, that has employed 250,000 sensors, checking 900,000 parameters all the time. That's 30 gigabyte of data in a single day. The plane is running, right? And 99% of this data have been disregarded in the past, right? With a different plane, nobody really measured all this data. Now, and here comes the trick. Airbus established a platform that's called Skywise, right? And all of this data of all 10,000 Airbus planes gets into this platform, and it's an open platform that's important, connected if you want to Boeing planes too. And the moment you analyze all this, you have such a great insight in keeping downtime of these airplanes down and all this stuff. That's really a huge competitive advantage, and that's exactly the thing we are talking about.
So the new is about smart products and smart services and better business outcomes.
Right. That's both, right?
Yeah. So which industries do you see leading? We have a lot of lead industries, obviously. Cars, autonomous driving is the big thing, the machinery, the medical devices, the chemical plants, the electricity industry. Where you see which industries are a bit ahead of the game?
Well, when it comes to Germany, I would say it's the machinery. Unfortunately, not automobile industry. They are a year and a half behind.
Why do you think of that?
Well, I'm not talking about the actual quality or the mechanics or the engine.
Product itself is cool.
The product itself is cool, but when it comes to the digital ecosystem, obviously Tesla is at least a year ahead.
So you say the machinery is leading in Germany?
I think so. Yeah. Connected with software, the Siemenses on the one side and the Hartings on the other side, right? So there are lots of companies in the German Mittelstand, small and medium-sized companies, and the really big ones, and usually they are really connected to machines, and that's
so they are with their products while they operate it.
Right, right.
Maybe last question or two last questions. What are the challenges you see when you talk to all the business runners? What's difficult for them?
To understand that digital transformation is not incremental. They are still too much thinking about optimizing products they already have. And they should spend more time thinking about the really radical change they are being faced with.
So basically stepping back and say it's not about the product manufacturing, it's about the outcomes of using the products I make.
What's my business model in 10 years?
Yeah. And then if you had one recommendation to a business runner, what should he focus on?
Change the style you're leading with. Those new people getting into your company, which are so important to change things, they want another kind of leadership. So talk to them, engage with them, and don't be so authoritative as in the past.
So leadership as usual makes the difference.
Right.
Carsten, thanks a lot. Great to have
Thanks
you.
for having me.
And enjoy Davos.
I will. Thank you.